And we are done. The project is now complete. There are a few little minor touch-ups to deal with here that we're going to work over the next couple hours, but the client's on their way this afternoon, and we are 99.9% finished. Of course, there's always going to be those little touch-ups, but you do what you can to avoid them. Our beautiful floor has finally been revealed to everybody. This is a great product, Nautilus Vintage, which is a great product. We're definitely using this in the future. We have all our cabinetry has been finally touched up, ready to go. Chris did a great job. Everybody at Parliament, I shouldn't just give Chris all the credit. Our lime wash paint is now on the wall here. I think it came out great. I'm excited to do this again in the future projects. All our wainscoting's been done, touched up, painted. Little subtle touches, we always like to do the built-in floor registers. We think they're a great addition. It's always a little bit difficult to get this line perfect, but you see the guys did a great job here. Balco vents is something we spec on a lot of our jobs too. These are great. They just pop out for cleaning, easy cleaning. You're able to get in there, clean your ducts, close everything back up just with a snap like that. Really happy with how the painting on the stairs came out. I don't know if we can get a close-up of this, but there's some grit put into the top of all of the treads to allow for a little bit more traction. Whenever you paint stairs, a major concern is slipping coming down the stairs. So you either have to put a runner, or in this case, we tend to put a little bit of grit into our sand on our final coat, which just helps give you that traction and that security coming down the stairs, especially with an older stair that doesn't have a full tread. It's really important to do that. The client has a cat. So they asked us to stick this in. Very happy to do it for them, no big deal. Put that in as well. We have our wine fridge in the kitchen on this side for entertaining, so it's a little easier to grab. There just wasn't the space on the other side. As opposed to doing something like a Lazy Susan in this area, it's great to have quick access to something and be able to use it. Over here, a little touch you can do is just add a trim kit to a microwave. Most microwave companies sell the trim kit separate. It's easy to pick up as long as you're planning ahead for it. Real easy way to make it a built-in and make it just a lot cleaner than sitting on a shelf, for example. Fridge, water line, stove, hood vent. So this is a suspended hood vent rather than a regular one. The little touches, like this is metal, not plastic or wood. So wood's gonna rot out, plastic's gonna break over time. So the metal touches like that. And then we also have our little tiny spice rack just to help use up that space. It's great to have that whenever possible. All our architraves are nicely painted out now. That's the finished product. I think they look great. Let me take you to the back. So in the dining room, we've got our wallpaper up. A flowery, nice, whatever it is. Great storage underneath the cabinets here. So eventually they'll want a cushion put down, but for now, we still have a very nice finish on the top here. They have already purchased a table for that. Our nice chandelier, not intrusive in any way. It really kind of stands out backwards. And as we go to the back, our final pocket doors. So I finally don't have to reach the top. Very nice, very smooth. Let me take you to the bathroom over here. So it's a pretty small bathroom, but we knew that going in. So we just have our toilet or sink. We went with the wall-mounted sink here, chrome accents on the bottom. So quite happy with how everything came out. We still have room for even a towel bar here. So that's all great. In the office, our herringbone flooring's all complete. Finished product's finally in. And we even have our dummy handles. Now these have pressure fits on the top so that you're not twisting the handle and trying to lock them together. So it's all smooth on this side. Very easy to grab, very easy to make sure that it's just kind of shut properly. And I showed you before, we do have the automatic light fixture in here. The bar is set extra high so that they're able to put a shoe organizer down here and make sure they have enough space so their coats aren't touching their dirty shoes. That is all for this renovation. As I mentioned before, there is a phase 2 plan, so we have an opportunity to do that when the clients are ready. But we're packing up, taking care of the last few paint touch-ups, things like that today. And that's gonna do it for this project. So I won't see you on the next one. I'll see you on the next project.